Happy holiday, Design family. Thank you for all your support. Now join me for Tablescape on Tuesday. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. And I have decorated my bar for this tablescape. So come along and let me show you what I have. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. The candle holders are from Tuesday Morning. The candles are from Ross's. The poinsettias are from Walmart. The hangers here are actually for the fireplace. They are stocking hangers. I purchased those at Kroger's. The wreath is from Ross's. The wish is from Burlington. And the little tree was a Goodwill find. And on this end, I have the same. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my place setting. The glasses were from Ross's. The placemat here was from Goodwill. The charger was from Goodwill. The dinner plate was also a Goodwill find. The gray plate was from Home Goods. And the beautiful little white plate here was from Goodwill. The swan was from, it's a peacock actually, was from Walmart. And the napkin was from Home Goods. So that is my place setting. It is very budget friendly. And I hope I've given you some ideas today on decorating your countertop or your bar for the Christmas holiday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I will be leaving Anna's and Courtney's information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and all of the ladies who are participating in Tablescape on Tuesday. This is Emma, and you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you for all your support. Without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out.